Britney Spears' father, Jamie Spears, 69, has broken his silence on the legal arrangement that gave him control over his daughter's life, after being suspended as her conservator yesterday following a court hearing in California. A statement released by his attorney, Vivon Thorin, stated that the father of three has always tried to act in the pop star's best interests over the course of the 13-year conservatorship, before branding the court's decision to suspend him wrong. The statement read, "Mr. Spears loves his daughter Britney unconditionally. For 13 years, he has tried to do what is in her best interests, whether as a conservator or her father. This started with agreeing to serve as her conservator when she voluntarily entered into the conservatorship. This included helping her revive her career and re-establish a relationship with her children," it added. The statement continued, "For anyone who has tried to help a family member dealing with mental health issues, they can appreciate the tremendous amount of daily worry and work this required. For Mr. Spears, this also meant biting his tongue and not responding to all the false, speculative, and unsubstantiated attacks on him by certain members of the public, media, or more recently, Britney's own attorney." Addressing the result of yesterday's court case, it went on, "These facts make the outcome of yesterday's hearing all the more disappointing, and frankly, a loss for Britney. Respectfully, the court was wrong to suspend Mr. Spears, put a stranger in his place to manage Britney's estate, and extend the very conservatorship that Britney begged the court to terminate earlier this summer." Again, it was Mr. Spears who took the initiative to file the petition to terminate the conservatorship when neither Britney's former court-appointed counsel nor her new privately retained attorney would do so. The statement added, "It was Mr. Spears who asked the court at yesterday's hearing to immediately terminate the conservatorship while Britney's own attorney argued against it." Despite the suspension, Mr. Spears will continue to look out for the best interests of his daughter and work in good faith towards a positive resolution of all matters, the statement ended. Yesterday saw Jamie suspended from Britney's conservatorship in a Los Angeles court hearing after 13 years of acting as her legal guardian. Judge Brenda Penny ruled that the star's father will no longer have control over Britney's estate, coming into effect immediately. Commenting on the move, the judge said, "I believe that the suspension is in the best interests of the conservatee. The current situation is untenable. The decision to remove the star's father from her conservatorship has been branded a major victory for the singer." Britney spoke out against her father in previous court hearings in June and July, claiming she had been medicated against her will and denied the right to have children. The star's lawyer, Matthew Rosengart, has also called for an investigation into the conduct of those who first administered the conservatorship in 2008. The court-ordered arrangement was introduced after the award-winning singer was said to have suffered from a mental breakdown. It is a measure deemed appropriate for individuals who are unable to make their own decisions. Earlier this month, Britney celebrated her engagement to her longtime boyfriend Sam Agshari in a sweet Instagram post. The star's lawyers have requested another hearing take place within the next 45 days to decide whether to end the 13-year conservatorship altogether.